No.
Yo, you know how we roll, dog. We got a big ass beer, some shit in our eye. My boy's sharpening some shit. It's kind of gay, but that's just the way we roll.
What are you doing, buddy?
Slips in easily.
What are you doing over here, bud?
Sharpening a bar, you know.
What do you got in your hand?
You make a knife out of it.
Oh, sounds entertaining.
Just a little maintenance, you know.
Sharpening it up. Check out the chain.
Gotta take the burrs off, you know.
Check it out. What is in this?
That doesn't sound too hot. The fucking shit.
You gotta focus. You're in his face.
Yo. You just want to make those sick videos for later, like when you come back a year later, you're like, yo,
Yo, yo, you feel me? You see anything up there?
Yeah, I see.
Eventually,
Is it
Can you move your hand for one second? Just come on, for the video. For the video.
Move my hand?
Yeah, just move it down. Yo, what happened? What happened?
What down?
Nothing.
Move your hands? Yeah.
What do you mean move my hand?
Just stop.
You see anything up there? There, it's clean.
You don't understand. That is the best video of the entire...
What?
I nailed it. Your boy fucking nailed
I
it.
can't wait to see these in like 6 months. Can't wait. I just can't.
Just out it. Stop the video.
Yo, you guys want to see something cool?
Stop changing the rotation. You're gonna fuck up the
Try to
video.
take the knot out of this.
No, it's